Okay, it's early in the day. We're going to do some adjusting on these charts. It's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon Central Time. I've got to run away for a while, so we're going to do some adjustment here. Right now, Clsk is up on the day pretty heavily, $1.27. It's at just over $15, $15.20. So this call here is worth virtually nothing. Create closing order. It's worth 3 cents. We can probably sell for 2 cents, or better yet, let's roll it. Let's go to rolling these trades to adjust them. So let's go back here again. We've got monitor, Clsk. We'll go here, create rolling order. We still got a $14 call. If we go to next week at that $14 call, which I feel good about right now, again, Clsk is $15.19, but we can still get 44 credit for selling a $14 call, 42 cents. Let's do it. Send. So even though we don't want to lose a position, we're deeply in the money. We should be able to sell that one pretty quick. We'll let it sell. Next one, create rolling order, $15 call. That gets us 80 cents. So that's $800 on 10 shares. Now it's 79. Let's do it right away while the doing is good. Send.